If I asked you to hum your favorite song, chances are you could do it in a heartbeat. That's because music has been a universal way to share stories for generations. The Beatles' Eleanor Rigby was a story of a woman who dies alone and is buried by her only friend, the priest. Adele's famous love song has a woman show up at her ex's door only to see that he's moved on. All around the world, music brings stories together, and there's one particular story I want you to hear today. This is Matamando choir from Chinganji, Malawi. And one of the reasons it can exist is this: clean water. See, in Chinganji, about half the people have access to clean water close to home. The other half don't, meaning people, including children, have to spend hours every day collecting water. Now, if you're spending hours getting water, you're not left with much time to pursue other activities. But when water is nearby, you can spend that time however you want, studying, playing, or singing.
Nkhani nduna kuti uthengawo timafalisa kwa anthu amene tili nawo pa nthawi imeneyoyo kuti azizindikira kuti mwina ineyo ambuye andikonze zomwe mwina ndakhala ndikuchita za mbuyomu mwina mwake ndiyambe kaye ndachepesako. Zimakhala zinthu zovuta kwambiri tikamaona munthu nazo kuti mwina kunyumba kwache kulibe madzi komanso ndi khumbo lobwera kuno kuchechi.
This winter, we'll be working with the Chinganji community to bring clean water to everyone, so that no one has to spend hours collecting water, and the Matamando choir can keep on flourishing.